handoff of my mic. You can probably hear cars going by too. It's probably not too relaxing. Sorry. This video should be a lot better than my last two. Frankly, I believe my last two were god awful, so this one should be good. I'm eating pretty fast, but because I'm so hungry. And this is my dad's spaghetti recipe, and it's been in the family for like 3 generations, and it's amazing. I mean, this is leftovers. Like, it was made 3 days ago, and it still just tastes so good. And I'm done. And by the way, that wasn't like a small thing of spaghetti. That was like 3 big forks. Like, we have big forks. And I took noodles out of the bag. And I took 4. I took 4 huge fork things of noodles. And 4 scoops of sauce out of a big spoon too. And stirred it up and microwaved it for 2 minutes. Like 1 minute. And then stirred it up and then another minute. And it was so good. Alright, here's the salad. see you next time, guys. Thank you for the support, and I hope this was a good video, and I hope the eating was relaxing. I know some people like more crunchy foods, but I also know some people like more chewy foods. So, and for the most part, everyone, like, at least for me, I like both. So, for a lot of people, this will be a good video, because I got both in. As long as you can hear me, it will at least be a good video. So, okay, I will, like, cause my schedule right now is actually, I like it. I get done with school, and then I have about 2 hours, or 3 hours, or 2.5 hours at least, to relax and do whatever. And I've been using that time to make videos this past week with my new mic, and I feel like this is gonna be a good schedule. So, because when I get home from school, I'm very hungry. So, because I don't eat much. And when I do get really hungry, I usually just get a big bag of salad, and I'll just eat the whole bag. Or like today when I was extremely hungry, like this is the hungriest I've been in a long time. I had a big bowl, so like I had a full out meal, so, and I devoured it. I ate that meal in about 14 minutes, so, because I checked when I was getting close to the end, like, I started eating the croutons around about 14 some minutes, just to check the time, and yeah, I devoured that. I ate pretty fast, so, it's healthier to eat slower, but I was too hungry, and I want to play some Minecraft, so, yes, so, one thing I have been looking into, getting something to record on my Xbox, like getting something to record me playing games on my Xbox, and because I think that would be really cool. So there is something, but like you have to buy stuff for it, and I just got a new mic. But I'm gonna be working, so that might be the next thing I get. Might not be. I mean, things come up. I have to save up for Christmas, and then I also have to get my brother a gift for his wedding. I have to get them a gift, so I mean, I'm in the wedding, so like, and he's my brother, and they've been together for so long. Like they've been together half my life. He's a lot older than me, so it makes sense. Like they weren't together since like middle school. But I mean, they're a lot older, so like about double digits older. Like they're, I don't know, around 10 some years older than me. I think more. But yeah, they're a lot older. So yeah, they've been together for a while. So like, she's basically my sister. But yeah. Alright, this is nearing 20 or 19.5 minutes. Almost nearing 20. I'll listen to the video. This should be a good video. So, I hope it was relaxing, and I will see you sometime, most likely next week, because tomorrow's Thursday. Thursdays and Fridays are busy days for me. Saturdays I hang out with friends, and Sundays I do homework. So the next time you'll see me will probably either be Monday or Tuesday. So, yes, thank you. I hope this was relaxing.